We have an update coming on April 29th, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. I'm going to highlight a few of them here. If you want to see the whole list, you can go to the poker.org and see our updates. There's a couple of dozen of them in this update. The first thing you'll notice is that the fonts in front of the bets and the pot sizes are much bigger, about twice the size they are now. I'll show you before and after, but you can see it here on the screen. Also, we've changed the chip display logic. The chips are in a more organized fashion. So you'll see one stack of chips is for a call, and then a second stack is for a raise, third stack for a re-raise, etc. So you're able to kind of track the action at the table just by the number of stacks in front of a player. Also, the community cards in the center of the table are about 60 or 70% larger, so you can see those more easily too. And as well, based on the feedback of players at poker.org, we put an option in to remove the pulsing halo on your avatar when it's your turn to act. So if that bothers you, you can shut that off now. So take a look at the before and after. You can see the font size differences and the card differences. This makes playing on our site a much more pleasant experience. Your eyes don't have to strain to see the important elements. Also, you'll notice in this update, you can only observe one table at a time. We've put this into place for those who are using third-party software to abuse our services, whether that's grabbing hand histories of tables they're not playing at, or involved in predatory activity just looking for certain players that they want to play against because they think they're bad players. And another key update here is how we're handling disconnections. We're handling these much more efficiently, so when you do get disconnected, we're getting you back to the action much more quickly. And finally, you can now play Cyclones on the mobile. So if you want to get some satellites taken care of with some Cyclones, you can do that with your handheld device. Hope you enjoy the update. Thanks for playing.